Minnesota turkey archery opener. Brought an expert cameraman, Tommy Hartman, the brother.
Yeah, boy.
We're right on birds right away. They're 100 yards away in Goblin. Stay tuned. Let's do it.
Yes! Yes!
Get on me, get on me, get on me, get on me. 10 minutes in, buddy. Yeah.
I can't see ya. Let's get him. Dude, he's huge.
Shot. Did you get that on film?
Oh yeah. Nice shot, Jess.
Good Lord.
That is a nice turkey. Holy crap. Look at this
He's
neck.
still alive, he's still alive.
Hurry up, dude.
Get on me. Dude! 10 minutes into the hunt. Oh, so here's how the story goes. I had to drag my brother out of bed, right? No, he was actually ready to go.
Yeah, boy.
Well, you've seen the footage, how difficult it was in South Dakota for us. Well, it's Minnesota season and opening archery. Wow, that's crazy. So we're get out here, Tommy and I get set up. Birds gobbling right away, and usually the birds have been lazy and stuff. Nope, this guy comes right down, comes right in. I pull right back, and he's right down. That's awesome. I want to show it to you. He's still alive though.
Look at those spurs. They're probably about, what, 7/8 of an inch?
7/8.
Where's the beard? Oh, look at that leg dying. That was awesome. Now I get to go home and go back to bed.
Give me once more.
Nice setup though.
Right.
4 decoys.
Dave Smith decoys. These are called the flock. See my submissive hen here, covered in blood, and it's the Jake mounted right behind her, like he's gonna mount her. It really pisses birds off. These things have worked beautifully. I want to show you 2 more things here. First is the bow that Schaefer Archery had us set up. Schaefer opposition sight, Schaefer opposition rest. I kind of blacked it out myself, and these are the Stoway Bowstix by B Outdoors. They're awesome because you can keep the bow in the blind. It's always set up and arrows right on there.
I gotta add some footage. So Jesse was pretty pissed at me this morning because I sat down in this chair right here, down there, and I tipped the whole blind over and almost wrecked all of our stuff. But it paid off. Nice turkey. How much do you think that weighs? 20 plus?
Yeah, he's 20. All right. See, sauce. Almost pull the head off here. No wounding.
Look at
It's
that.
kill or nothing. This is the Magnus Bullhead. This is what we used. I had some trouble with these things flying earlier, but finally got it dialed in, and 5-yard shot. Doesn't take much, but we did it.
Sweet.
Yeah, let's. He's all muddy, but he's still a beautiful bird.
Beautiful, beautiful hair.
8-inch beard. Yeah, that's awesome. Over. Finish. Fish him!